Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope so viewers you are also fine. In this video viewers, I am share beautiful and outclass shell collection ideas. So viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully viewers you will like this video and you will enjoy my ideas, new amazing and versatile pattern in this video and different designs ideas. So guys, like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope viewers you will like this new and elegant pattern and new amazing elegant ideas. I am shared with you beautiful ideas viewers. That's amazing ideas, different styles I share in this video. So guys, like this video and enjoy my ideas, most amazing and fundamental styles, elegant ideas, new and unique designs. Enjoy this video and you can like this beautiful styles, attractive pattern which I share, and I hope viewers you will enjoy this video, new amazing and outclass ideas. That's very amazing, new and different designs, beautiful designs, and that's very amazing ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope so guys you like this video. Okay, you will enjoy this video and new different designs, beautiful ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel and friends you can enjoy new and outclass ideas. So viewers, thank you so much for watching this video and enjoying my ideas. That's very amazing, new and versatile pattern. So beautiful ideas I share in this video and you like these beautiful attractive ideas, the different designs I am share in this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully viewers you like this video and new different styles. Have a nice day viewers. A new stylish pattern I share. Have a nice day viewers.